Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. The LINK chart continues to be in this overall leading diagonal pattern. There's currently no reason to think of that could be something different. Of course it could be something different, but then anything is possible. So we really need to focus on what we see right now. And I see at the moment a potential leading diagonal. I see a price structure that's moving within a corrective price channel to the upside. Or, well, shouldn't say corrective price channel. It's actually it's a parallel price channel in which, however, the price is moving, within corrective patterns. So it likely is going to turn into or form a diagonal pattern. But in a diagonal, it's a 5-wave move, but the subwaves are corrective. So currently, we're likely in a 4th wave, which is a 3-wave move. And it seems likely that the price could reach that lower boundary line of the ascending price channel. And that might happen, price might touch it around, $12 maybe. So one more low could finish off the entire correction. Shouldn't even say that because technically the correction can be complete. But if we look at the microstructure, which is obviously less reliable, there are many distortions and you get many more possibilities. But it would look better with one more low. Either way, the correction so far, if you zoom out, shows a nice 3-wave move, A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down. It might get one more low, maybe not, but it already reached our trading area, our support area. From somewhere here in the region between $12.88 and $9.75, we're looking for a reversal for the price to rally in wave 5 to the upside. At the moment, the move to the upside, to the downside is corrective. Basically, price has been moving sideways for a while. Now, already more than a month. A couple of months nearly. So it's time this correction finishes at some point. But remember that what I said from the beginning, that a wave 2 and a wave 4 often have the same length. And I made you aware initially that this correction can take a while. Now, if we compare the length of wave 1 and 4, just to box here, we are now a little bit over the length of the wave 2, but that's fine. It basically roughly has the same length. So that's sort of what we want. So I'm very happy with how this wave 4 developed. Structurally as well. Of course, it's always boring. It's always frustrating. But let's see if this correction is soon finished. And if it's finished, it should turn around either here or at the lower boundary line of the trend channel or at $11. That would be ideal. Maybe could stretch a little lower to $9.75, but ideally it avoids that. That would be already quite a deep wave 4. I can see that only, if Bitcoin also comes down a bit more. So that could obviously affect LINK. And then one more high could take the price above 1830, which is the next major structural resistance level. And then the Fibonacci extensions for the next target point towards $21 plus. So that's what I would be watching next as target. Condition obviously that the $9.75 level is holding. And if we consider the entire structure, obviously what we want to avoid is that the price breaks back into the range of the, this endless range in which LINK really has been moving for more than a year between June 22 or May 22 and October last year. And what can I say? So far it's all going okay. I think we need to prepare for potential turnaround. Now, looking at the microstructure, what did I highlight yesterday? I highlighted that this might now be wave 4 and we could get one more low. This move up looks like a 3-wave move. And if there is now a break below $12.55, that would indicate that wave 5 is unfolding and could possibly hit this lower boundary line. At the same time, if we see a break above $14.77, which is the B wave top, and then also a break above $16, what is it? $16.05, which is the wave 2 high. At that point, I would probably start to assume that the low is already in. Even though I have to say, it's going to be difficult to really nail the absolute low because this structure, there's nothing stopping the structure from forming an even larger corrective pattern that could stretch out further, okay? So any rally really could just be corrective overall. We just have that risk always in a wave 4. But because it's already done what it needs to do, any move above those levels, especially this wave 2 high at around about $16.05, would indicate that the 5th wave is unfolding. Then 1830 will obviously be the next key resistance level. That's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.